How to install a macros for automatic video watching on Worker Cache. Go to your personal account on the Worker Cache website, then open the Macro section. Here, you'll find a link to install MacroDroid from the Play Market. Click on it and install the app. Now, download the macros file from the same section of the website and open it using MacroDroid. When you click on the file, your smartphone will ask which app to use. Choose MacroDroid. To make the macros work, you'll need to give the app some permissions. The specific permissions and settings depend on your device model and operating system version. Here we show how the whole process looks like on a Samsung device with Android 13. In any case, follow the prompts of the application. Press the Save Macros button at the bottom right after opening the macros in MacroDroid. Initially, the system may ask for additional permissions and take you to your phone's settings. Look for MacroDroid in the list or go to the Installed Apps section and find all items related to MacroDroid, then grant the necessary permissions. It's a good idea to close all tabs in your browser for the macros to work correctly. After that, go to the Worker Cache website and log into your account. Now, press the Save Macros button again in the bottom right corner. Check that the top toggle switch for MacroDroid itself is on, and then turn on the toggle switch for our macro. If you've done everything correctly, the macros will start running and automatic video viewing will begin. Occasionally, after watching videos, a CAPTCHA will appear. It's a window where you need to click on icons in a specific order, as shown in the video. If you don't do this, your earnings will stop accruing. If you don't use the macros for some time, your phone may automatically revoke permissions for this app. To prevent this, go to Settings, open all apps, find MacroDroid there, and make sure that the toggle switch for this app is off. What to do if the macros isn't working? 1. Check if you are logged in to the Worker Cache website. 2. Make sure you have granted all the necessary permissions for the macros to work. 3. If your default browser is not Google Chrome, set it as the default browser in your phone's settings. 4. If the macros stops working, try clearing the cache and restarting your phone.